Hi, so this is a video on showing us how to figure out the return percentage for anything returned on Amazon. Now we're going to do this quarterly. That's what this for this task it's going to be, but we may change that up, and if you need to do it monthly, then you just change up the dates, and you'll see what I mean. So you go into Amazon, and then you go to reports, you go to fulfillment, and then go to FBA customer returns. Now you come here, and so we're going to do this for the last quarter. So that'll be from October 1st till December 31st. So you go here, you put exact dates, October 1st, and then basically to the last day of the year. If we did it monthly, so let's say I wanted you to do December, then you would just, do December 1st. But for now, we're going to put October 1st. Like I said, we could change that up. So the next time you're going to do this is after March 31st. So now you go generate report, and it's going to take a minute for it to come up. Now you click on download. And another thing is you need to do this, for both accounts. So this looks like it's it. I don't know. So this date range covered is 12/28 to 1/27. No, that's the one I ran earlier. So let me refresh this. All right, so I take that back. You don't go here. That's going to give it to you here. What you need to do is you need to go here to download, and then you go here, and then you put the exact dates. And then, if you wanted to do December 1st to the 31st, this is where you put it. We're going to do the last quarter of 2018. And now you go request download. Like I said, it's going to take a second. So I will freeze. All right, so here it is. You have these dates of the dates we requested. Now you hit download, and it gives you this. It's going to give it to you in a text file, so you need to put it in Excel. And now we can product name,